In this video, we will look at how you can manage your categories in ZonaSegura. You can access the category section using the category option available at the sidebar menu. I am now in the category section and it displays all the categories that have been available or already added in your account. You have option to sort the categories by title, status or created at date. You can do a quick search using this search box. So, like this. Next, you can see there is a toggle available in the status column. This allows you to quickly update the status of a category. So for example, I wanted to update the status of this ship category. So I can just simply hit this toggle, confirm this thing, and now the ship category is now disabled. I can just hit it again, confirm, and the category is now active. So this is basically you can quickly enable or disable categories. Next, in the action column, you can see there's an option to view a category. This displays all the details of a category and the icon that user sees on the mobile application site. Then there's an option to edit. This allows you to update the existing details of a category or change the icon. You can select different icons from the available ones. And then there's an option to delete a category. I don't want to delete, so I just hit the cancel. So using this option, you can manage your existing categories. And now let's look into how you can add new categories. So there's an add button available in here. When you click this button, so this shows up the add new category form. This allows you to add new category. Yes. You can select an image icon from the available options. Say this thing. And now my category is added. Here it is. I can enable, disable this category. I can view details of this category. I can enable, edit this category, or I can just simply delete this category. So my category is deleted. So this is how you can manage your existing categories and add new categories to your ZonaSegura account.